Very good evening, friends. So, very good evening to each and everyone, and welcome to DurgaSoft online training. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training, and especially welcome to welcome to which programming? Sir, Python. Welcome to Python programming. Welcome to Python programming course. Okay, and this course is what course, sir? You know very well. Sir, it is a fast track. Fast track means what? Sir, short period will be there. Within that, we are going to take the sessions. So, generally, regular classes means, okay. So, general explanation I am giving. Regular classes means, sir, we are going to have, okay, the time duration of maybe 2 months, like that, 2 months, or some 45 to 50 days, like this we are going to cover. But sir, fast track means what? Sir, within 1 month, okay, within 1 month we are going to complete. Sir, maximum I will take 30 to 35 classes, 30 to 35 classes, it will be wind up. So, and moreover, what about the time duration of daily classes means, sir, minimum 1 hour 30 minutes will be their session. Okay, maybe demo sessions slowly I will start, but once if the class is regularized, 1 hour 30 minutes will be there. Okay, so today date is 24th, right? If you consider 25th, sir, February 25th will be the last class. Okay, so definitely, sir, it is my promise. And maybe some days we will take 1 hour, sometimes 1.5 hour, sometimes 1 hour 40 minutes, that's all. Sir, I want to go beyond that. Okay, this is number one. Next, sir, let me give our course details first of all. So myself, K Prakash Babu. Okay, sir, K Prakash Babu, having 13 years of experience, 13 years of experience as a technical trainer. Okay, technical trainer. Sir, I worked in various engineering colleges and various institutions. Presently, from past 3 years, I am in DurgaSoft. Okay, and the courses which I am dealing in our DurgaSoft is nothing but, sir, core Java, advanced Java. Okay, next and after that Python. Okay, sir, next and after that we are going to take full stack Java developer. And of course, you know very well, logic based programming, there is one special uh, class is there which is going on daily, logic based programming. In short, we can call it as LBP, sir, where we are going to concentrate only on programming. These are nothing but my current batches which I am dealing in our DurgaSoft. Okay, with full-fledged strength. Next, sir, coming to our course. Okay, coming to our course. Sir, what is the title of the course? Sir, it is Python Fast Track. Okay, it is Python Fast Track. The duration of the course is nothing but, exactly 1 month. Within 1 month we are going to finish. Then what about the timings of this course? The timings are nothing but every day at 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. we are going to take. Okay, so from Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday, we are going to take 3 p.m. Sir, Monday to Saturday. So Sunday there won't be any session. You know, it is a universal holiday. Okay, but Saturday also session will be there. Sir, what is the timings? 3 p.m. Okay, sir, next maybe 3 to 4:35, like that I will take, sir. Okay, and the next and after that, what is the fees for this course? Sir, very very important, it is rupees 7,000 Indian currency, fast track batch. So 7,000 rupees. Next and after that, sir, if I want to register for this course, sir, to whom I need to contact? To which number we have to contact? Sir, 8096 969696. To this number you can contact for payment details, for course inquiry, all these things. Okay, then, sir, before moving to the syllabus, sir, I want to give some brief description about what benefits you will get. Okay, what benefits you will get from my, sir, regular classes. Okay, what benefit you are going to get? Sir, very simple. So by attending my regular sessions on daily basis, the first point is nothing but topic will be cleared. Every topic will be cleared with some real time examples. real time examples Real time examples in the sense, don't take real time projects. So just suppose if I am explaining the concept of polymorphism, so it is an object oriented programming. Sir, while explaining this polymorphism, I will take some real time examples. Array, every person is the best example for polymorphism. Means what? While listening the Python fast track by Prakash Babu sir's class, simultaneously you can do n number of activities. Some people may eating the food, some people are drinking coffee, some people are playing games simultaneously, they are watching some other movie and they are listening the class. N number of activities. It is a human psychology. So it is the best example, right? Similarly, suppose if I am taking 1 plus 2, what answer we will get? 3. But in Python, WEL plus COME also, it will return welcome, sir. Have you observed? Plus operator is doing addition of two numbers. Suppose if I have 1 plus 2j, sir, plus 2 plus 3j, if you take, sir, complex number addition, it will take 3 plus 5j. Okay, so such a type of plus operator is performing how many tasks? More than one task. Like, we will deal with some real-time examples so that easily it will be injected into your mind. First point. Second, sir, once if the regular classes has been completed, okay, so once if the regular classes has been completed, once if the topic is completed, sir, immediately I'm going to share running notes. I'm going to share running notes for you people via Google Drive. And after that, sir, recorded videos also will be provided. Okay, sir, with 7 months access. Sir, these are not downloadable videos, sir. Just you have to play and you have to listen. Okay, with the 7 months access you can able to get. Sir, next and after that, after completion of these, sir, I will take multiple choice questions, okay, on each topic. After completion of the every topic, maybe every week, Saturday, sir, we are going to see some multiple choice questions. Sir, these multiple choice questions are not a small level, sir. I'm going to take at a top level. Okay, maybe if I cover 5 multiple choice questions, sir, it should be very perfect like gunshot. Okay, so you can expect such a type of things from my session. Then, sir, once if everything is completed at finally, sir, interview questions will be there. Interview questions like frequently asked questions, FAQs on Python. Okay, we will prepare a document. Of course, some 2 hours I will spend. So each and every point, whether we covered in our syllabus or not, parallelly we will check and I will give the information. So if everything completes, sir, finally, one more thing, sir, coding challenges. I will prepare some coding challenges. Maybe you can expect 100 programs from my side. Sir, it is a completely homework for you people. So homework in the sense, sir, I will give some links. Sir, tomorrow I will explain. So anyone, please remind me tomorrow. Some HackerRank website is there. In that we have some accounts are there. So with that I will give the challenges. So already I prepared the title of the program. I have given the constraints, what that program is going to accept, what that program is going to return, and even we have given input and output also. Just your task is to fill that code, sir. So you have to write a code such that input it should accept and it should produce exact result. If everything is correct, if all the test cases are matched, then your program is correct. So you can validate by yourself. No need to submit to the SAR, and SAR will take some time to verify, and SAR is going to give the marks. Such a type of days are gone. Okay, so everything is online. I will provide a link. You can practice that link in your mobile also. Just type the program, submit, and check whether it is working properly or not. So that part you can expect. Sir, I will introduce from this batch itself. So I'm going to give 100 programs on HackerRank. Okay, so after completion of the topic, corresponding programs I will add. Sir, you have to work on that. Okay, these are nothing but the benefits which you are going to get from my session. Okay, sir, hope it is very clear for you people. Sir, before moving to the syllabus explanation, just a small demo. Tomorrow maybe it is not possible, so now itself I will give that HackerRank demo, sir, so that you people will get some idea Sir, how to work with that HackerRank. Okay, so 1 minute, just I will open HackerRank and I will explain you, sir, how you can able to solve the problems. Okay. Yes. So just for example sake, I'm telling, sir, I hope my screen is visible, right? I request everyone to respond. Sir, is my screen is visible? HackerRank, LBP8, something like this, right? Very good, sir. Yeah, very good, very good. Sir, now this is nothing but the link we are going to provide, but this is not the link. Like this, it will be there. So where it won't be LBP something like that. It will be something like sir, Python by Prakash, Python by Prakash 1. So 2, 3 like this we will have. Okay. So in this we are going to give the challenge ID like this. You can expect 100 programs. So problem statement I will give here, and if anyone is submitted the code or not, you can cross check. Okay, sir, you can see 14 days ago some person solved this problem. Okay, sir, leaderboard position also you can able to check, sir, who are doing the programs with me parallelly. So you can able to cross check, and you can able to compete with others also. If you want, you can make a discussion also here. Sir, nobody is talking about this challenge. Why not start the first discussion? Yes, you can put the discussion here. So what is the problem statement here? Sir, how many people submitted this code? 32 people. What is the maximum score? 100. Sir, difficulty level is medium. If you want, you can give rating for this challenge also. Sir, what is the problem statement here? Implement a program to calculate sum of digits present in the given number. Sir, you need to write a program to find out sum of digits present in the given number. Okay, sir, input is nothing but a number from the user, and the constraint is n greater than or equal to 0. Sir, we have to print sum of its digits. I have given some sample test cases like 123. So by adding all the digits, what answer we are going to get? Sir, you can able to see 123 1 plus, so 2 plus 3. By adding these, what answer you are getting? 6. Sir, is it there or not? Yes, you have to write a program for such. Sir, 1 plus 0 plus 1, next input, it should be equal to 2. Sir, is it there or not? Yes. Sir, 1 plus 7 plus 3, 11. Sir, is it there or not? Yes. Okay, input I have given, output is also I have given, just we have to write the program. Sir, various programming languages are there here, but I will enable only Python for you people. So just maybe you don't know about this, just I will write the program, sir. First we have to take the input from the user. It is a Python code, sir. Then I'm taking, so digit sum is equal to initially 0. Sir, while that number is not equal to 0, I will explain this step by step in our regular classes. So digit is equal to n percentage 10, sum is equal to sum plus digit. Sir, number is equal to number by 10. After completion of this, whatever result we have in yes, that is our target. So now you have to do this and you have to run the code. And for the given inputs, whether it is satisfied your output and expected output same or not, it will cross check. Sir, I have given only single slash. Then your input may not be your output may not be satisfied expected output, because your output is 6 point something, but expected output is 6. So I will explain in the operators what is the difference between single slash and double slash. I hope here itself you got the clarity, right? Sir, now once if all the test cases are clear, sir, your task is not submitted. Your task is not completed. You need to submit the code. Sir, once if you submit the code, it will validate with all the test cases what I have given in the background. Sir, all the test cases, 6 test cases are passed. You can able to see what is the report of status. It is accepted and submitted few seconds ago. But what is your score, sir? 1 point. So I told how many challenges I am going to cover for you people? 100. Sir, out of 100, remember carefully, sir, you need to get 90 plus. Okay, sir, if you are getting 90 plus marks, 90 plus scores, that means after completion of this course, parallelly, if you are prepared for 90 programs, that means what, 90 programs are there in your hand. So happily you can crack any kind of interviews. In the interviews it is a common practice, right? So in interviews it is a common practice, asking the coding challenges, ask you to prepare the algorithm, ask you to write the program properly, all these things. Sir, parallelly you can get it from this. So why I am giving this much introduction, in the sense, in the entire world the easiest programming language what we have is Python. So once if you learn how to coding with Python, then almost next 10 years, sir, you will be rock like anything. Okay, there is no new programming languages which is dominating Python. Of course Python is having some disadvantages, but sir, because of these new advantages what we have, sir, it is rocking like anything. That's why I instruct everyone to enjoy the Python course and learn as much as possible from my side. This is nothing but, sir, introduction to our course and what benefits you are going to get from my course. Sir, before moving to the syllabus, sir, around 25 to 26 chapters are there in my hand. So I will describe each and every chapter. Of course it is already document is there. So I will show you what is a title of each and every chapter, what things we are going to discuss. For 20 to 30 minutes I will explain our course agenda, because without course agenda, entering into the course is meaningless, sir. Okay, so whatever there in website will you cover, sir? Yes, of course, beyond that also we will move. But let me give my syllabus, sir. Up to this, if you are having any queries, sir, please let me know. Then I will show the syllabus and we will discuss about the syllabus. Okay, yeah. Sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this? If you have, you can feel free to ask. Any doubts, friends?
Sir,
Yeah, Sampath, please.
any prerequisites we need to learn Python?
Nothing, sir. Nothing, sir. Nothing.
Any programming languages like
No, no,
Core Java?
not at all required. I am there to help you. So happily you can start your career from Python. No issues at all. If you know English, that will be more than sufficient.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Hello?
Daily 3 p.m. Yes, Nitin, daily 3 p.m. will be the session. 3 p.m. to
Hello?
around 4:30 or 5 I will take. Yeah, please wait, Mukesh. So Nitin, daily 3 to 4:30, like that it will be there. Okay, it depends on the topic, but max 4:30. And Muhammad, you can contact admin people regarding that. So actually the fees is 7,000 only. There won't be any discount. If you want, you can contact admin people. So same information they will provide. And yeah, Mukesh, carry on.
What is the difference between regular course in Python and a fast track
Nothing,
course, sir?
same syllabus will be there, but additional time we are going to spend here. Beyond that, nothing.
Sir, I have attended on Durga sir's class also, demo.
Okay,
Sir
okay.
told that I take the class minimum 75 to 80 hours. He told that.
Yeah.
But you are telling that just 1 month only I have
Yeah,
taken.
if you are taking the classes like that, we can extend up to 4 months or 5 months or even 1 year also we can take. So but we
Sir,
are bound. Yeah, wait. So we are bounding to the concept. Suppose if you take list comprehension, so there is one concept is there called list comprehension. I can provide up to 50 to 60 examples on list comprehension, but that is not our curriculum, right? So there are some situations where we need to bound with some constraints. So for that, this is the course. General duration of the Python course is 2 months. If you fix the topics within 2 months, we can wind up. That is our regular phenomena. Okay, but SAR is taking in detail, in depth. So introduction, Python features, every feature sir is going to explain minimum 20 to 30 minutes like that. So everything is differentiated with respect to faculty, sir. Sorry, that will be their own things. Okay.
Sir, in this fast track class,
Hmm.
students get how, strength, which percentage of strength to learn, sir?
I'm not getting your question, sir. What is your doubt actually?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. What is the next after Python for career gap? You can go with the data science area, machine learning, artificial intelligence. So for everything, Python will give the fundamentals, sir. Even you can go with web technology related tools also by using this Python. So we have n number of, even Java is also having same features, sir. So but whatever Python is providing additional to Java is nothing but this data science area. So where now artificial intelligence, data science, of course you people may know, daily we are getting so many devices, so many new challenges with respect to AI and machine learning, all these things. That's why, so for all those things, the career starts with Python. From the Python only we are going to learn those things. So libraries are there, all these things it will be there. Sir, please wait, I will give the chance to speak. And Anil, for ETL purpose, is this course is okay? I need to learn anything other than this? Maybe I don't know about that. So you can refer that syllabus. Based on that, you can go with that. I will show my syllabus. If it is okay with that, then you can continue. Yeah, please.
Yes, yeah, sir. Actually, as I'm having an experience in Informatica,
Okay.
and nowadays everyone is asking the Informatica with Python.
Okay. Okay.
But I'm not
Yeah.
having an idea about how the Python is useful for ETL purpose. So that's why
Okay, okay,
I'm
okay.
yeah.
But definitely, sir, if any concept is requiring requesting Python, means definitely once if you learn the Python, you will get the clarity and you are going to fill that gap with Python. So that
Okay,
assurance I can provide, sir.
okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anil.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Any other queries? Please let me know. Yeah. So I
Hello,
think,
sir.
yeah, please.
Sir, how far this is helpful for Python scripting? Like, if you go into the DevOps for writing CI/CD pipeline operations,
Hmm.
there they talk about Python scripting, and this
Yeah.
Python and any relativity.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Whatever you are going to learn in this Python course, it will be useful in scripting level operations also. Okay. So not only in what you said, what not only in the scripting area, sir. In anywhere, if I want to prepare any web application also, Python code you have to use. So for all those things, definitely it will be helpful and it will be very easy only. Okay. Because I don't have any knowledge on that area, but almost my old students also there in that area. So they are telling after completion of this course, definitely it will be useful in that scripting area also, sir. So like that, I got the feedback.
Okay,
Just I'm
sir.
conveying that to you. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Chiru. Yes. Sir, shall we continue? Please confirm. Yes. I'm muting all participants. Sir, now I will share the syllabus, sir. Okay. So what thing we are going to cover at the top level, I will share the syllabus. Then you people will get some idea, sir, what thing you are going to cover in our regular sessions. Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. No, frameworks are not there in this, Mukesh. Completely core and advanced Python, not frameworks. Yeah. Sir, this is nothing but the syllabus what we have. Sir, the total syllabus is divided into, sir, 25 or 26 chapters. Let me see how many chapters are there. Even I too don't know. So because number I don't know, but all the topics I know. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, 25. Sir, these are the is the course is from beginning. Yes, this course is from beginning. Sir, these are nothing but total 25 chapters which we are going to cover. Sir, first I will spell out all the chapter names, then in detail description I will provide, sir. Have a look once. First chapter, introduction to the Python. Second chapter, sorry, introduction to the programming environment. So few people asked previously, sir, I don't know anything about programming language. Is there any prerequisite? Sir, no, such type of things are not required, because I will provide introduction to programming, what is the need of programming, all these things I will provide. Okay. Sir, maybe Rishabh, you have joined late. So the course duration is nothing but 1 month. So the timings are at 3 o'clock. Okay. Every day at 3 o'clock, the session is going to be conducted. 3 to 3:30, sorry, 4:30 will be there. And the fees is this one, 7,000. Okay. So, and one more thing, to avoid so what you can call disturbances, I request everyone to please join on time, sir. Okay. Maybe 5 minutes before or 5 minutes after we will start. Okay. Not before. Definitely I will wait for 5 minutes and then I will start. What about oops concepts? Yeah, wait, please. Venkatesh, please listen first. Oops also will be there. Sir, introduction to programming first I will take, then introduction to the Python. Sir, if I want to prepare Python, what theory fundamentals I required, that part here will be there. Sir, data types, how to read the data, how to write the data from the Python, and what operators are there. Sir, I want to make a decision if conditions, I want to write a loop. Sir, what control flow statements are there in Python? We have, sir, 4 types of data structures are there. Sorry, 5 types of data structures are there. String, list, tuple, set, dictionary, which is very, very important in the application environment also. Sir, majority of the times we will depends on these data structures only. Okay. So I have a group of records are there. I want to display to the user. So how you can able to transfer that records via network? Sir, create a list, store the data, and print that list. Immediately the person is going to use the word called list. So in detail about these data structures we will discuss next. And after that, up to this whatever I have selected, up to 12 chapters, we will write only scripts. But from that, how you can prepare function, what are all the predefined modules are available, those things also we will discuss. Then a short 1 hour discussion on MySQL database. So because the next chapter deals with database connectivity. Sir, in MySQL database I stored some information. Can I write a Python program to fetch the data from database or not? Yes, because nowadays everything is related with the client server architecture. I need to prepare my database, sir, in my system, and I need to start, I need to write the data from some other country. Is it possible or not? Yes, happily we can prepare applications like that. Abhijit, this course is from the beginning only. Please wait, at last you can ask all your queries. Then, sir, next, I want to write information to the files also. Yes, happily my Python is going to provide the support for file. Okay. Like, sir, whenever the user is uploading a photograph or resume, I need to create a new folder with that particular person email ID or mobile number. I need to store the information. Yes, it is possible. Okay. Sir, next, and after that, object oriented program, which is a part, which is a heart of our programming language, not only for Python, sir. Even it is very helpful for Java also. Sir, object oriented programming, you will enjoy these sessions like anything. So everything I am going to compare with real time, and then I will explain. Sir, next, and after that, sir, we are going to discuss about regular expressions also. Sir, I want to check whether the mobile number is valid mobile number or not. or I want to write a program to validate the email id. Before submitting the data to the database, it is a common requirement to verify from your side. So how you can able to verify? That can be done by using regular expression and web scraping. Web scraping means what? Sir, I have a URL is there, I have a website link is there, from that I need to fetch the data. Sir, is it possible or not? Yes, we can prepare a program to fetch a particular format from the website. Sir, assume redbus.com is there. In that I need to get all the contact numbers, or some JNTU h.ac.in, Hyderabad JNTU University, sir, website is there. In that contact us page we can select, and you can provide that link to my Python program. What my Python program is going to do, if you prepare to extract all email IDs from jntuh.ac.in, yes, it will filter all the email IDs. Okay, provided they should provide support for extraction purpose. Yes, contact us page everyone can access, in that sensitive information won't be there. Next, sir, if I'm getting any runtime error, okay, how you can handle? Sir, I started to attend Prakash sir class at 3 p.m. and just I finished my dinner at 12:30 and I slept. Sir, after 1:30, after 2:30, sir, just I started and I switch on my laptop. Unfortunately, the power is only 1%. So my laptop switched off, and power is also not there in the home. Then what we have to do? Have you observed? You planned something, but because of some charging purpose or power issues, sir, you are unable to attend the classes, but it is not planned earlier. So if everything goes fine, then no issues. Suddenly, because of some unwanted things, if interruption has been happened, then it is called as exception handling. Sir, you need to look for alternative. Suppose I mean, my power laptop is not working, power is also not there, so better to go with mobile. Sir, you can take other person mobile and you can request for half an hour for demo. Okay, so like this you can do. So in the same way, how you program, you are going to respond. The same activities how you are going to do with the help of programming will be covered in this exception. Then assertions, okay, debugging process. The persons who are moving for selenium, okay, and the persons who are moving for what you can call testing domain, then for those assertions will be very helpful. And multi-threading, how parallelly you can execute the tasks simultaneously. That is the concept of multi-threading. And logging, so once if the student is logged in, then I need to register the details in a separate log file, so that it will be very useful for tracking. Then that logging information also you can store. And pattern programs, sir, once if you see these pattern programs, you will get efficiency in the looping statement. Okay, programming skills will be improved with the help of these pattern programs. So like this we have 25 chapters are there. In the introduction, what is mean by language, what is mean by programming language, how many types are there? Sir, translator means what? Compiler versus interpreter. And we will see one example program for compiler versus interpreter. And second chapter, introduction to Python, history of Python, Python official website, where we can use Python software, and what kind of approaches the Python is going to follow, and which companies are using Python, and why you have given the name called Python. Sir, majority of the people are going to feel Python means a big snake. No, that is not the correct. Sir, we have another hidden story is there. We will explain later. And sir, what are the Python versions that are available? Okay, how to execute Python program in online compiler. Sir, how to download the Python software, how to install the Python software into your machine, and how to execute Python program in offline compiler, and what commands are there to execute the Python program. Some basic commands will be there. All these things we will see. Even we will introduce some IDs also. Then, sir, Python fundamentals, comments, how you can define, keywords, how you can define, identifiers, variables, constants, naming conventions. So flavors of Python, what features are there, all these things we will discuss in Python fundamentals. Next, sir, what are the data types, which is very very important at very beginning level. So there are totally, sir, 14 data types are there. In detail about these data types we will discuss. Okay, So 4 important functions. Next and after that, int, float, boolean, complex string. So then bytes, byte array, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dictionary, range, none. So majority of the time we will discuss on these data types. Almost 1 week we will spend on this data type. Maybe 1 week is not sufficient, within 3 to 4 days, because our time is long, right? Then, so how to read the data, how to write the data? Sir, we have 10 formats of output functions are there. So in Python, we have how many forms of print statement are there? 10 forms. Okay. So Python is the luckiest programming language. So you can print output in any requirement. Sir, if you ask, this is my requirement. Yes, I can write Python script. Whereas coming to remaining programming languages, it is a bit difficult. We have to write for that also code. But Python by default, it is going to provide support. That thing I will explain in detail. Then, of course, operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, conditional, bitwise, membership, identity, special operators, operator precedence, and we will see some programs also here. Sir, I included the programs coming from HackerRank also. Okay. Then, sir, control flow statements. What is the need for control flow statements? Selection statements, what categories are there? So looping statements, what categories are there? Transfer statements, what categories are there? On this also we will see some 30 programs. Then string data structure, how you can work with string data structure, how to represent the string, what is mean by triple quotes, how to create the string, accessing the string, slice operator means what, mathematical operators, membership operators, comparing the strings, common functions, methods, so formatted strings, all these things you are going to get in this string. Similarly, list, creating, accessing, operations, nested list, list aliasing, list cloning, common methods. Okay, list comprehension, I told in the beginning, list comprehension, the easiest way of creating list. Sir, have you observed this program we have prepared? How many lines? 7 lines. Sir, I will rewrite the program just to display only single line. Observe carefully how I can take that. So I have sorry, I have input is there. Okay, sir, I am converting this input into list. Sorry, sir, for each I in, so input and int of I. So I am taking a list here, and then I am taking a sum function, sir, and then whatever result you are getting, I am printing. Have you observed that the entire 7 lines of code I have written in a single line? Let me check, is it working or not? Sir, successfully working. If you submit the code also, it is validating. So how many lines of code I have taken for this? Only single line code. Okay. Yes, it is possible. This scenario is called as list comprehension, the easiest way of creating list objects. Sir, how many lines of code is required for that? Single line code. And then what is mean by copy operation? Shallow copy means what? Deep copy means what? With respect to memory location, these two things are going to vary, sir. Then tuple, which is the same as a list, same topics will be there, but additionally some separate things will be there. Nature is different. So list is going to allow the modifications, but a tuple is not going to allow the modifications. Okay. Then set, what is mean by set? How you can work with the set? So intersection, union, all these operations also we can perform. So what is mean by dictionary? How you can able to work with the dictionary? How to access the data? Everything will comes under this dictionary. Then, sir, functional programming, like in the C, you may have these saw these type of statements: predefined function, user defined functions. What is mean by the word called parameter or argument? Return statement means what? How a method can return multiple values. So global, local, recursive functions, anonymous functions, map function, filter function, reduce function. So all these things, decorator, generator, module, packages, all these things we are going to cover. So modules and packages, whatever we have, all these things we are going to cover. Then, Sir, there are some predefined packages are there which is provided by Python, like math module, calendar module, sir, time module, OS module, random module, array module, string module. All these things also we are going to explore. Then MySQL, sir, very, very important. Sir, how to create a database, how to activate the database, how to create a table in that database, how to insert the records, how to select the data from table. Sir, if I want to select based on condition, okay, sir, I need to write a query to list out all the employees whose salary is less than 50,000. Sir, you have to write a conditional selection. That also we can write. Okay, next and after that, how to perform update operation on the table. So how you can do conditional update, sir, deleting the data from normal table and a conditional delete and a summary of CRUD operations, creating, retrieving, updating, deleting, how you can perform these operations. Sir, I'm explaining these things from the database point of view. The same thing you can write with respect to Python code. Same topics will be there. Sir, how to create a Python program to insert the data into the table. Sir, you are not going to touch MySQL database. You will write a program in the Python. It will ask you to enter the data in the Python. If you enter the data, your program will take the responsibility to insert that particular data into Python, MySQL database. Okay, with this we will see a small mini project also. Then files, sir, how to create the files, how to open the file, how to close the file. So what are the properties are there? Sir, how to handle binary data? Sir, I have a image file is there. I want to copy the content of one image file to another image file. So I want to copy video file. So CSV data, Excel file, how to perform zip and unzip operation, pickling and unpickling, all these things. And object oriented features, which is very, very important. Okay, so polymorphism, inheritance, overloading, overriding, abstract, public, private, magic methods, all these things we will discuss later. Then regular expression, sir, the expressions which we are using for validation purpose. Sir, we have some applications also here: mobile number validation, Gmail ID validation, bike registration number is valid or not, how to extract the mobile numbers from a file, how to extract a specific pattern from the file. And we will see web scraping, reading the website, reading the information from website. Okay, yeah. Very good, Pradeep. PAN number validation, very good. I will add that also, definitely. Okay, sir, PAN number, permanent account number, it seems. Sir, PAN number validation. So because it is having some rule, right? Sir, even we can write bank account number, bank account number validation, IFSC code validation, IFSC code. Okay, all these things we can do, sir, no worries. Then exception handling, sir, how you can able to handle the errors which occurs at runtime, how you can able to handle those things also we are going to discuss. Next and after that, assertion, how to debug your code. For example, sir, I have written 1 crore lines in that. So there is some small problem is there, sir, I want to check. Maybe the problem is available at last 10%, but definitely I need to read the remaining 90% of the code, right? How you can eliminate that one? By putting some extra code in the middle. So that is called as assertions. How to enable the assertions, how to disable the assertions, that part also we will discuss. Then multi-threading, sir, how a particular thread can communicate with another thread. So how you can able to create threading. In this I will explain some real-time examples also, something like so traffic signal problem. So you can see in the traffic signal, sir, one side if vehicles are coming, other side the vehicles is going to be stopped. Okay, and similarly producer consumer problem. Okay, readers and writers problem. Okay, all these things we will discuss one by one by taking some examples. Logging file, sir, how to create a log file, how you can able to write information to the log file. Sir, I prepare one application. If any student logged in into that particular application, that student activity has to be registered, at what time the student log in and what time the student logged out. Forget about the operations, but I need to register the total time duration. So for that you can go with log files. Okay, and even we are going to see what is mean by nested loop, okay, inner loop, and with that we are going to prepare some programs on patterns. Sir, these are nothing but total 25 chapters which we are going to discuss as a part of our curriculum. Yes, now if you are having any queries, yeah, please let me know. Any queries, friends? Yes, please. Any queries on the syllabus? Please confirm, friends.
So libraries will be covered in the syllabus, means pandas and all these things.
No, sir, no, sir. Those things you have to explore by yourself, or you need to join data science course. There, pandas, matplotlib, all these sci-fi, all these things will be covered in that area, not here. Okay.
So what will be the covered in the database, means that will be the just
Yeah, here
programming.
no programming only. In the database, we are having some libraries are there. Okay, so PyMySQL module is there. By using this, by installing this module, you can directly communicate with MySQL. For Oracle, separate module will be there. For MongoDB, separate module will be there. Like that, here we are explaining MySQL and the corresponding connection related module, and we will prepare the programs here. Okay.
So to connect other database, that will be the covered in this syllabus. And
No,
suppose this,
sir. Which database you required?
I mean, means I'm just considering.
No,
Suppose
no, no,
now
nothing, sir.
Snowflake.
It will be very easy only. Only
Okay,
the important steps is nothing but corresponding module you have to search and you need to install. First step.
okay,
Remaining things will be same. But
okay.
the query has to be changed because in the MySQL and Oracle, the query syntaxes are going to be different. In the same way, in your database, what kind of query technology is there, that you have to write here. But other than that, the process is the same.
Okay, 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 sir, got it. Thank you.
And is there any project on all syllabus? Yes, we have, but not a big project, a small activity we will do. Any other queries? Yes, I request everyone to respond. Clear, right? Yes, sir. Yes.